Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today I want to show you Jackknife here using your Wunda Chair. So yes, Jackknife is a mat exercise, and yes, you can use your Wunda Chair. It's actually a really great way to see and feel like where you move your jackknife from. Too often I see people do it from their hip flexors, and this exercise really forces you to use your center to control the legs around. Having your hands on the pedal allows you to have a nice broad chest. So if you came to this video from the online pilatesclasses.com flashcards, thank you. I hope you're enjoying them, and I hope you see how many different mat exercises you can just naturally do here on the Wunda Chair, and maybe it inspires you to create some of your own. If you don't have our flashcard deck yet, grab it. In our other ones, it definitely helps you see how all these exercises interchange together. So you want to lie on your back with your head towards the pedal, but not on the chair at all. So I have to move a little bit so that my head is not on this, and then I have my hands on the pedal. The spring setting is just any setting that you don't pull on the pedal. Like, you don't want it to be too heavy or too light. You just want it to be there. And then you can certainly start with your legs up. That's easier, or starting with your legs down. You jackknife your legs onto the center of the chair. Then I pull my waist back, and that takes my feet off. And then I pull my legs back under the chair. So now I'm under it. And then I pull the waist down, stretch the legs away. And again, lift the hips. It's almost like tendon stretch on the reformer. I pull the waist, and then I move my hips back towards the chair so my legs go between the chair and the pedal. And then I pull the waist away, stretch the legs. You can do 3 to 5 of these, keeping your neck long the whole time so we're not looking at our legs stretch away from us. Give that a whirl. Let me know how it feels in the comments below. Check us out on onlinepilatesclasses.com, where we do life better.